Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna install a window motor for my 2005 GMC Yukon, and I'm gonna show you step by step, that you can do it. Save you tons money on the labor if you take it to the mechanic. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and let's get this video going. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build the channel up little by little, so just leave a like, or and we'll keep uploading videos. I got more ideas for the Yukon and the Trans Am, and also for the people that follow on the Siennas. But yeah, so let's get this video going, guys. All right, welcome guys back to the channel. Today we're gonna change my window motor for my 2005 Yukon, and I got the motor right here already. Got this from I got it on eBay for $34. It's a non-brand motor, not the original, but it should do the job. So but yeah, this window here, this panel here, has a bolt right here, and it has another one right here in the corner, and it's a 7 millimeter. So but yeah, let's get started. And okay, all right guys, I got the 2 bolts. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna raise the panel up, and keep in mind that you're gonna have that rod for the lock and unlock. So but yeah, so and then once you get it out, once you get it up, you're gonna have to wiggle it around the door handle. Okay, all right, let's remove it. All right guys, okay, you're gonna have this connector here for the power window. So what you're gonna do is just press this down, and you should be able to disconnect it. So after that, you're gonna remove this plastic so you can have a better, it won't be on your way. But you're gonna have to get to these bolts over here, right here. So just take your time, patience, that way you won't be frustrated. Take your time and everything. Okay, all right, let's continue. All right guys, what I did, I just I didn't want to remove the handle to open the door, so you're gonna have to remove the speaker. It goes right here, like that, because it's got 3 bolts here to go here, and those are holding the motor. So as you can see, I got one here, and then you have this connector here. So we're gonna get that right now, and we'll go from there. All right guys, you're gonna have these 2 nuts here, and the bolts, they all are 10 millimeter. So you're gonna get to these here. Make sure you put all your nuts and bolts separated, that way you know where they go. And just like I said, take your time, be patient. All right, let's keep going. All right guys, I got it out. So basically your glass rests right here. Okay, the only thing that's holding the glass from falling is these 2 bolts, these 2 nuts. Once you push them in right here, push them in from the body, then your glasses, this whole unit is gonna start coming down. So once it comes down, just hold your glass and pull this down. Okay, basically this is how it goes. There's the old unit. This is the new one. Okay, not that hard, very simple. Just make sure you don't drop your glass. Like mine is resting here in this corner here, and I'm gonna have to pull it up once I bring it in from the back. So, but yeah, that's how it looks. Once you put it in there, you're gonna make sure that it aligns here, and then pick up your glass and then rest it on it. But let's keep going. All right, guys, got it in there. I just gotta tighten this. Actually, I forgot to remove this bolt here, so I had to remove the whole thing again. Well, put it over to the side and take it off. But yeah, that's one thing that pay attention. I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking about the video. Anyhow, so this here, like mine, like the motor, whenever I put everything on there, they were like all the way down here, so I had to have the connector plugged up in here so I could bring the window up. But yeah, as long as you have these here, a line here, I mean, everything's already set. This whole thing is not gonna fall back or down. So as you can see, I still gotta do the motor here, which this is not going anywhere right now. But yeah, very simple. Like I said, I would just remove this, to be honest with you, next time. It has been a pain in the butt, just keeps falling down for me. But I always want to do easy route. Sometimes it doesn't work out. But yeah, okay, let me go ahead and tighten all these bolts, put the speaker back on, and let's see how everything works. All right, guys, here we are now, testing everything, that everything works. All right, well, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel. I know it's kind of hard to do videos like this. I need something to hold my phone so you guys see the whole process. But yeah, so the main thing is these here. Make sure you don't over tighten these, because these are the ones that are holding your glass. So just, you know, and these here, you know, these nuts here, and this is pretty much it. The whole thing comes out if you take this one and these two here. And I'm learning, man. I'm learning this. And then I'm gonna put the speaker back on here right now. And but yeah, so I mean, probably been here 25 minutes, 30 minutes at the most. So, but yeah. Yeah, but easy, super easy. You'll save a lot of labor if you do it yourself. Like I said, the motor was $36, $37. I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna last. I mean, I don't lower the windows that much, but it was just bugging me that that it did work sometimes, because I know my kids put the window down a few times and it was like a few inches from the top from closing, and I couldn't get it back up. But yeah, so I'm gonna put everything back together, and it's getting kind of dark. But yeah, I got this from eBay. So
Check Amazon, but they all range between 30 and 35 bucks. But yeah, all right guys, well, subscribe to the channel, and we got some more little projects going on here for the Yukon. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. All right, peace. Hey, don't forget to leave a comment, questions. I try to upload videos weekly, so come back and check next week for something new. All right guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Thank you guys for those of you that stuck to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. I will be uploading new projects for this for my Yukon. I got something going on for that one, and the Trans Am, I might do a little upgrades here and there, and the Sienna also. And for those of you that follow the channel for the trucks, the Isuzus and the GMCs, I will also be leaving some new content on those. But yeah, support the channel, guys. I really appreciate that, and we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe to the channel, help me out, and I'll see you next one, guys.